Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the lyrics on your videos using the Capcut editor software. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to open your Capcut and you will need just to create new projects or any projects where you want to add the subtitles or lyrics. So here we click on this one and basically we need just to import our video. I'm just going to import this video. It contains only audio. So here you drag it on the timeline and basically you will need just to go to the text, and here we can find add text and we can find the auto caption. There is the auto caption and auto lyrics. So if you want the lyrics, you choose the language of the video or the audio. You click on create and it will start recognizing lyrics and processing the video or audio, and it will generate the video lyrics. So basically this is not a music, so let's just go for auto caption and go here and use English, create, and here we can see that the Tolkien will find here. And as you can see, this is just something that I have recorded where saying that I'm just going to use the CapCut editor to use the subtitles feature. So basically, this is the final results. You can see, and you can also like edit the caption, how you want them to be, like are they bigger, or you can add some styling to them, etc. etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.